Hey, San Antonio, you better get prepared. A crash is coming. Or is it? San Antonio Board of Real Estate had their annual housing forecast, and they had some nuggets that you might be surprised by, or maybe not. Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time to this channel, my name is Carlos Copso. I'm a local realtor here in San Antonio with Keller Williams. And if you're looking to move here, relocate, have questions about the market, I would absolutely love it if you were to reach out. I put my phone number right here. Send a text message, shoot an email, whatever you want to do to get in touch, and I'll absolutely love to take care of you. Now, let's actually jump into it. San Antonio Board of Real Estate had their annual forecast, and there's a couple things that are going on in San Antonio that actually might surprise you. As you know, everybody in the world right now is saying a recession's coming, the world's crashing, everything is going bonkers, and it's partially true. But as we talk about the housing market, as of right now, 53% of homes have dropped their price. So we know that people are overpricing their homes. They have been for a while now. Last year or 2 years ago, you could do that and people were willing to pay 50, 60K, 100K over asking price. But that market is long gone. 53%, that's more than half of these listings are overpricing their house and having to drop their price. Now, if you're smart, you will price it right up front. Get in touch with a real estate agent who knows exactly what they're doing and how to price your property, and you won't have to do a price drop. A lot of times the price drops can make you net less than you would have if you would have just priced it right in the first place. Now, another statistic is with builders. So 42% of builders have actually lowered their prices. So they came in last year, guns blazing, building all these houses, really overpricing houses as well. There was lotteries to get on a list to buy a new build. Well, that is long gone as well. Now most builders are providing incentives that can cover your closing costs, can cover parts of your down payment, can cover almost everything out of pocket. I have seen some builders who have actually stated zero down, zero closing costs, zero out of pocket to get into a home. That is clearly unheard of. So if you're looking to purchase right now, new builds are probably the way to go. And you really don't have to wait that long. According to the data, quick move-in homes are up 89%. That means there are a ton of homes just sitting on the market waiting for you to buy. The good thing about that is, again, they're going to drop those prices, give you incentives, and really allow you to get into a home. Yes, interest rates are high. I would rather pay a higher interest rate now and then refinance in a couple years rather than pay 30, 40, 50K over asking price or what the home is worth. So you got to kind of give and take a little bit. But so new builds is a really great way to go right now. Now, as far as resale homes, a lot of sellers are scared to put their house on the market. They're thinking that their house is going to sit, their house is not going to sell. But is that true? Is it not true? If you price a house right, it will sell. Sales are projected to still go up by 2.6%, and prices are still expected to go up by 4.6% in 2023. It's still definitely time to sell. So whatever fits your needs, don't wait. Don't try to time the market. You will never time the market perfectly. Something will always happen. So if you're needing to sell, if you're needing to buy, it is still honestly a great time no matter what your plans are. Things are going to grow. Historically, prices have never dropped in San Antonio. So yes, people are overpricing their houses, and that's why they're dropping their prices. However, they should have never listed them that high in the first place. So prices are not technically dropping. Our average sales price is still on the rise. So what this is causing is something called a FOBAT, fear of buying at the top. A lot of buyers are scared that they're going to buy with rates at the highest and the prices at the highest. But as of right now, it is an amazing time to negotiate and make a win-win for everybody. One unique stat is Texas was the #1 place for one-way U-Haul trucks. So people are moving here and they are not leaving. Now, a couple places where people are trying to get out of, the most popular places people are leaving is what you thought. New York and California, they're the top two that people would just want to get out of there because, again, housing prices, just everything going on in those two states are pretty crazy right now. So people are getting out of there and coming to Texas. Now, who is the market really bad for right now, and who is the most motivated? So the most motivated probably to sell is iBuyers, builders, investors, and flippers, because they're the ones that are going to be holding on to that property and essentially losing money. The longer they hold it, the more they lose. So iBuyers, if you don't know what that is, those are companies like Open Door, Zillow did it for a little while. They're the ones that would go make an offer on your house and buy it virtually, essentially. A lot of them are getting out of the business. Zillow backed out last year. Open Door was getting sued. A couple different of the iBuyers are just going to end up dropping out of the business. Now, investors, it is a really great time to purchase property because, again, a lot of people need to sell, and there's not a lot of buyers out there just because a lot of people are, in a sense, scared of the market. And builders desperately need to sell. They just have so much inventory that they need to at least break even. So they're putting their houses on the market at crazy low prices and giving these just absolutely amazing incentives. You'd be crazy not to at least look at new builds. So in a nutshell, that was a quick version of what happened at the forecast. So what I think is going to happen in the market, just kind of going based off of what's going on right now. So a lot of buyers are jumping back in. They're getting over that fear. They're saying like, you know what, I can afford this. I don't want to keep renting. Renting is still going up. Why would I keep putting money into somebody else's mortgage when I could put it into mine? So buyers are coming back. We are not yet seeing like multiple offers or anything like that. If a house is priced really low, you will see that. I saw one over this past weekend where it was actually valued probably around 250 and it was only listed at 210. So those are going to get in multiple offer situations, and they're probably going to go above asking price still because people are smart. People do their research. People work with real estate agents and really find out what a house is worth. Now, if you're a for sale by owner and you're trying to put a house on the market yourself, it's kind of hard, but you can still get it done. There's just things that you need to do to make sure it happens the right way. 2023 in San Antonio will be somewhat of a just unique, weird market where people are still kind of overcoming that fear, kind of getting over things. But I really see things turning about midway through the year. If you're looking to buy, I would say try to jump on it before we get to the summer. And if you're looking to sell, starting in the spring would be a great time. Just like in a normal market, selling your property should not be something you're scared of. As long as you price it right, you take great pictures, you make sure the condition of the house is absolutely amazing, and you have the right marketing plan, it will sell for top dollar and you will walk away as happy as can be. Now, I know this is very brief. This is just kind of quick overview, but if you got any questions, if you want to just chat about the market, if you want to go out there and look at homes, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'd love to chat with you. But other than that, you guys have an absolutely amazing week and talk to you later.